Hey everybody, and welcome to another video. So this is a small review from a company called Rossi Nails. They wanted to send me this product to review, so I said why not. They did tell me that I was able to use it with monomer even though it's a dip powder, so I just agreed to it. And this video is the unboxing of the products and all that. In my next video there's a part 2, and you can check that out where I'm actually doing a design with it if you're interested. I don't like dip, so I wanted to try it with acrylic and monomer, but it didn't work out, so you guys will have to see that in the next video. This box was a lot smaller than I expected. I know it was a sample size, but I was just like crazy shocked at how small it is. I'm small myself, and for the box to be like the size of my hand was just crazy to me. But it is a sample size, so this is really to just try it out. So here I am unboxing and just taking everything out of there. This is the acrylic powder. I believe the acrylic powder is less than half an ounce. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it says 0.35 ounces on the container, so it's not even half an ounce. It's less than that, so that's how tiny the container is. If you guys can imagine a 35 ounce acrylic jar. It is a sample size, so if you guys would like to try it out, I know that Rossi has been contacting people. It was you know what, I'm gonna leave my opinion about the acrylic for the next part of the video, which is part 2. This is part 1. I know it's a really short video, but it's just so you guys can see like the unboxing. Here's the top coat, here is the base coat, and here is the activator. And yeah, that's pretty much all that comes in the kit. It comes with the powder and those 3 containers, and yeah, that was the unboxing. So here are like the box of the nails. The box is really cute. It's just really small, you know, than I expected, but it's a really cute box. I love how it's pink. But yeah, that's their info. And yeah, if you want to see the next part of me doing a design with the Rossi product, then you have to watch the next video. Bye.